Hello there, welcome to Thursday afternoon. It's Steve at Bradley Plumbing, Heating and Gas Services. Hope you're well. Much better day today, sunny than yesterday. Nice and soggy, weren't it, all day? But we've got our job finished that we posted on yesterday. We've installed an Ideal C32 32 kilowatt combi boiler, replacing an old floor standing open flue gas boiler with an asbestos flue that was located down in the garage, and the tanks and the cylinder were in this cupboard here. So the tank's in the loft, the cylinder in here. So we've done our relevant pipework alterations in here and downstairs, and the new boiler has just been finished installing just now. So we've just wired up and done the commission, the flush out. So we just wanted to show you what we've done. You can see the Ideal system filter down at the bottom, which enables the extra warranty on these boilers on the Vogue Max, which is what this one is. And this is the 32 kilowatt version. Great boilers, one of my favourites on the market. We do fit quite a few of these, and we've also installed the Nest wireless programmable room thermostat, which the control section is downstairs but the receiver is here. So it just enables the customer to talk to the boiler through the internet wirelessly, so he can alter his heating on his phone, and it talks to his boiler back home. So they're a very good bit of kit, the Nest. We've done quite a few, and I find them very good, and customers seem to like them as well. So I've also got one at home myself. So good bit of kit, good bit of control for it. Great boiler, and it's been our last couple of days' work. So thanks for joining us, Steve Bradley Plumbing. Take care. Bye.